No, start with energy.
Energy crew. One. Oh, my wrist.
Oh yeah, on your list.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're doing a quick, maybe not quick, garage update.
Well, that's it.
As you can see, we're back in the office. Actually been a while since we've been here properly for a few days. Mainly because we've been in so many events in the past few weeks that we just didn't have time to do anything except events and preparations for those. And today we decided to finally go to garage because we actually haven't been to garage in 2 weeks. And that's unacceptable. We're gonna go back to garage, see what's happening there, give you a quick update on what's going on because we have so many started projects that we haven't finished yet, and yeah, give you some little and some big updates.
Yes, let's go. Okay, so we starting with Kevin. The thing that we need to check is we need to measure how much space do we have to put the new engine in with the gearbox, because obviously the new engine is going to be at the back here behind the seats, the same place where the old engine is right now, but the gearbox is pretty long, so I need to check if there is enough space to actually fit it. More or less the
Plus minus, okay.
Plus minus diff finishes here, because the axle is here, so the diff is gonna finish somewhere here where the lip is finishing. I need to check.
I can hold it here.
We're gonna have about 110 centimeters or 43 inches for you watching from some
Weird places.
like Moldavia or okay, so 110 centimeters. So if our engine plus the gearbox would have this, we don't need to worry. If it would have more than this, then we're gonna have to, I don't know, we'll see. Oh, we just remove seats, no? We can sit on the engine.
Yes.
Okay, let's go garage, measure the engine, because I bought the engine already.
No one even knows what engine there
and
is.
measure the gearbox, because we have gearbox already. And see if we can pull this off. Because obviously, normal people would first measure the space and then see if they can fit the engine. But we bought the engine first, and then now we thought like, For last month or so, we were actually working on some cars a bit, and we filmed a bit of a couple videos, but the things went pretty slow, and by this point we didn't finish any of those videos, so we thought that we're gonna make video now about sharing our progress with each car. Yeah, maybe let's start with Rolly, because many of you asking about Rolly actually. So let's see how's Rolly doing. So what do you think about Rolly?
Work in progress, definitely. A lot of work here to do. If you come here, I don't know if you can see. Wait. As you can see, there's no shock inside. And that's because our friends are making custom shocks. They're combining different car shock, the Golf, I think.
Yeah, Audi.
Audi shock. So we're gonna have Audi shocks in Rolly. Our friends are converting them to fit these ones. And the reason it's taking so long is because we want coilovers for Rolly, so we can do any ride height and do proper, very nice VIP fitment. By VIP fitment, I mean slam it to the floor. It's taking very long time because there's absolutely nothing on the market for aftermarket parts for this car. And then once they're done, we're gonna bang the other side, and then we're gonna start working on the back. Back should be much easier because the mounting there is way more simple than the front, so it shouldn't be a big issue. Yeah. And that's really it with Rolly for now. The main thing right now is to slam it to the floor, make a nice fitment. Then we can think about the rest of the jobs. Move on to our infamous cursed beast. It's been standing here for two months now, I think, at least 2-3 months right now. Mainly just because Sam bought the front wheels, which are very nice, Spider-Man wheels.
So we decided we're gonna swap from 15 to 16 inches wheels for the E30 to make a better fitment, and on 15, to fit it nicely, the car needs to be super low to the ground, and we want this car to be actually drivable on the street. So we're gonna put 16s and make the fitment nice, but also car won't be that low to the ground. Also the oil pan is super low on these E30s. So we bought the 16s for the front, and for the back the problem is that the bolt pattern is different, so we were having issues finding the wheels. We finally found 16s with this bolt pattern and with the wideness that we like, but we are waiting for them center caps that we have on the front wheels. They should come in next week. So then we finally can move on with E30. We also changed the suspension at the back to make it more stiff. Also, as you know, E30 has reliability problems. And the reason is that we were running very cheap Chinese fan here, and the car was just overheating all the time when we were drifting it last time. So we need to still order a proper fan, and this should resolve all the problems with the car. And also, when we finish the fitment and the car's gonna be reliable, we want to put some kind of like body kit on it to make it more stylish and more nice in general.
Because at the moment it looks like a winter beater. It's still a winter beater, basically.
Oh yeah. Well, winter's coming, so we're gonna use it. Oh yeah, Vanos not working.
Yeah, we need to fix that.
Vanos.
But that's body first.
I put it on the list.
No,
yeah.
make it look good first, yeah, and then we think about the performance, you know, and all that. Yeah.
Going to this car, after Ultrace, the car is pretty much beaten up from each side. So we're trying to rescue the body kit. That's the new size kit because old one I lost. There is a back bumper, which has a bit of issues here. As you can see, my engineering is broken.
I mean, it lasted 2 events, so I'm pretty happy with this.
Yeah, the front bumper as well. Front bumper as well is a bit rough. So basically, there is need for a bodywork all around this car. And this is what we're gonna do. The next drift event is Next Level Summer Camp, which last year was one of the best events for us, and super excited to go there. But I want my car to look very, very nice. So yeah, gonna have to fix all the bumpers, paint it.
Mechanically, it actually works.
Yeah, mechanically there's one little issue. So on Ultrace, I had the situation when I smashed a wall. I smashed the wall with the back of a car, and it bent the exhaust. And I was thinking it only bent one part of the exhaust, like one pipe. Because everything was kind of tilted, but we had a look on it, and the whole exhaust from the middle of the car to the end, it's bent in a couple different spots, which makes it very hard to, you know, straighten it back the way it was. So I started to do something, but I kind of gave up, and I think we need to make an exhaust system again from
scratch.
Not from scratch, but like maybe from the back here, from the V-band. There's V-bands here, and I think from V-bands we're gonna make just new exhaust, because I don't think we can rescue this one. I mean, we can try still. And I was thinking about deleting the muffler.
Even louder nowadays. How would it sound without a muffler?
Okay, so this is how it sounds with muffler. Gonna need a muffler after all. I'm super happy I have this bash bar that Archie made for me, because if I wouldn't have this bash bar...
That's where I took the hit, actually.
Here. The bash bar is bent as well.
Ah, yeah.
See?
Well, that's not an issue.
But if I wouldn't have this bash bar...
Your whole back would be destroyed.
Yeah, probably whole back would be like Bozo. I don't know if you see
yeah,
Bozo.
yeah.
Because Bozo don't have a bash bar, right? So he has this active aero spoiler. See, crushed light, and there is a lot of bend. That's why you should run a bash bar when you have a drift car. So gonna paint the car, gonna make new exhaust, and yeah, the car's pretty much ready for next level.
And actually, from the beginning of the video, Sam was measuring the engine size for the Kevin.
So from the front of the engine to the back of the engine, where the gearbox starts, we have about 60, let's say about 60 centimeters. And a gearbox is long. Gearbox is actually 80 plus.
80 plus.
80 plus 60 is 140.
So that's 30 centimeters too long already.
140. And we have 110.
Why would we buy an engine and a gearbox that doesn't fit Kevin at all?
It was cheap.
Ah, okay, so it's okay.
Because we could put the engine more to the front, but then seats are there. Do we need seats?
One.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
But you can expect a very nice long video with that. Basically, it's gonna be one of the main, you can say main winter project that we're gonna have. We had this cheeky idea for next year. It's sort of a big idea, but yeah, we don't know how we're gonna get this done. But the idea is to get in top 16 of Ultrace next year. So
the engine swap in Kevin won't be the only thing that we do for it. We have a whole plan to make it not completely rebuilt, but like change the style of it completely.
Yeah, at the
like,
moment it's very cute and nice.
Yeah.
We want it to be.
like a big aggressive, not big, it's still small, but like an aggressive.
Like right now, when people see Kevin, they're like, oh, he's so small, he's so cute. We want it to be like, whoa!
Nani?
Nani! Like different sort of vibe with it. And
Yeah.
because we've been to Altrace already and some other events for 2 years with Kevin, and it's been pretty much the same the whole time. And we want to have a change.
And also, you know, Ultra is not only about how fast or how aggressive it looks, it's about details, and the car needs to be like perfect in every detail. So this is the plan for Kevin as well, because so far we were building it the way that, you know, a bit budget, a bit, this is okay, this is fine, it was just our Kevin, but this time we want to actually, over the winter, we want to actually make it perfect, to be honest.
Yeah.
Which might be hard with the engine and gearbox longer than the whole car, but, you know, we'll see.
Yeah. I know it's blurred right now, but try to guess the engine in the comments. What else is there? That's it really, I think.
Yeah, we don't have many cars. We should buy some.
Yeah, we should buy another one.
No, I think we are now in this kind of spot which we have too many cars unfinished, and I don't like it. So really need to focus on finish this, you know, put it out, finish this, put it out, because we have 1, 2, Kevin 3, 4 cars which are undrivable, and it's pissing me off. So we're not gonna buy another car until we
finish one car.
What? No, until we finish all the cars. Maybe when we
Good one, yeah, we're gonna finish one. I have something in mind, don't worry.
Also, there is 2 more exciting news for this video. First one, I don't know if you can see, if you follow us on Insta, you should see, we go in Ireland. There is an LZ event, which is hosting by Adam LZ. There's a whole crew from US coming, Jimmy Oaks, TJ Hunt, there's James Dean coming, Low Origin, super cool people coming. I don't know why they invited us as well. Drift Games, thank you very much guys for, you know, including us in such a cool group of people and creators. Yeah, Mandela Park, Ireland, we're gonna be there. Boys are coming as well, it's gonna be super nice. So if you're from Ireland or from UK, or if you want to travel, get a ticket and see us there.
Also, many of you were asking why is the shop closed for so long, because it's been closed for about 2 months since we started all these events this summer. We're opening on the 1st of August. A lot of new stuff is on there, long sleeves, all the new t-shirts. Oh yeah, this t-shirt as well restocked. Basically everything restocked. So yeah, technically by the time this video goes up, it should be tomorrow, 1st of August.
Monday.
Let's go, Monday, all that, boom boom. And thank you all who subscribed to the second channel. Very nice.
How can we finish the video?
We finished the video.